Just look at this gorgeous plate. Fluffy quinoa, perfectly roasted chicken, and a vibrant fresh salad. It's healthy, hearty, and bursting with flavor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make this easy, protein-packed meal that's perfect for lunch and dinner. So stick around and I'll show you exactly how to whip this up step by step. Here we have pre-washed quinoa, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion, cooking oil, fresh cilantro, rice seasoning. The rice seasoning is completely optional. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a splash of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced garlic and onion. Sauté until they turn lightly golden. Next, add the quinoa, ground pepper, and salt and stir to combine everything evenly. Cover the pan and sauté the quinoa mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, add water and the rice seasoning and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the quinoa is tender and the liquid is absorbed. Finally, stir in the chopped cilantro once the quinoa is fully cooked. If you prefer a softer, more tender texture, let it cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Here we have 5 to 6 pieces of chicken thighs, black pepper, chopped cilantro, some brown sugar, salt, cooking oil, roasted garlic and pepper mix, and mustard. Next, drizzle some oil into a baking pan, then use a brush to evenly coat the surface. Place the chicken thighs in the pan and season generously with all the spices, making sure to coat them well for a flavorful marinade. Flip the chicken thighs and coat the other side evenly with the spices. If you're short on time, you can bake the chicken right away. However, for a more tender and juicy result, it's best to let the marinated chicken rest in the fridge for at least an hour and then bake it. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set it to the roast function. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Next, set a timer for 20 minutes to cook the chicken for the first half of the baking time. After roasting for 20 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and check the consistency of the gravy. If the chicken appears dry, add a splash of boiling water to the pan to keep it moist before returning it to the oven for another 20 minutes. Once the chicken is fully cooked, garnish with freshly chopped cilantro to add a burst of color and flavor. Now let's plate everything. I'm serving this chicken with cooked quinoa and fresh salad, but it pairs beautifully with rice, roasted potatoes, or a medley of vegetables. And there you have it, another versatile, wholesome, and irresistibly delicious chicken recipe your whole family will love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.